we are told 2 employees, Joker and Okoth, contributed a quarter and a sixth of their salaries respectively to start a project. The contribution amounted to 16,000 Kenyan shillings. If Joker contributed 4/9 and Okoth a third of their salaries, the contribution would have been 30,000 Kenyan shillings. Calculate each person's salary. So we can do this. This will end up being simultaneous equations because of the 2 conditions that we have been given. So we need to say, okay, let's say let Joker salary be X and of course salary be Y, and therefore we can write this. We can write the first condition that Joker contributed a quarter, so it's a quarter X plus 1/6Y should add up to or added up to 16,000. If Joker had contributed 4 out of 9 of his salary plus Okoth contributed a third of his salary, then the amount would have been 30,000. So those are the 2 equations that we will form. Then from there we need to get the remove the fractions so that we'll be able to solve. This implies that you can LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. So if we multiply each and every term by 12, here it will be 3x, and here it will be plus 2y. 16,000 when you multiply by 12, you should get 192,000. So that is you use your calculator. Then this one, the LCM is 9. So this implies that if you multiply by 9, you have 4x, and then plus this will be 3y is equals to 30,000. You multiply by 9, that will give you 270,000. So once you do that, these are simultaneous equation. We can use the elimination method. So let's eliminate y. So we multiply here by 2 and here by 3, so that we have 6y. This should give us, when you multiply here, you get 9x plus 6y is equals to, you multiply 192,000 by 3, then you should be able to get, you multiply by 3, you should be able to get 576,000. Then the other one, you multiply this, will give you 8x plus 6y is equals to, that will give you 540. You multiply this by 2, 540,000. So you subtract the second equation from the first one, so this will give you x is equals to, when you subtract here, you should be able to get that 6,000. So the salary of Joker was that 6,000. So from there we can use we can use one of the equations. So we say y is equals to, so since we have so we can take 2y to the other side, and therefore we will have that is 2y is equals to, we take 3x to the other side. We take this equation here, so we have 2y is equals to 192,000 minus, you multiply that 6 times 3, that will give you 108,000, implying implying that 2y is equals to, you subtract this will give you 84,000. You divide both sides by 2 and you get your y is equals to 42,000. So that's how you work out that. So you get yourself 3 marks. So I hope you have followed that. So that is the value of y, and that is the value of x.